RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das announced a number of measures in the monetary policy announcements today. But the most monumental of them was allowing retail investors online access to invest in government securities.
This kind of direct access which is being given to the retail investors in GSEC market, I think very few countries in the world have it, and India now joins that league. This is a major structural reform which the RBI has decided to implement.
The really cool thing about this is that India is the first Asian country to offer such a facility to retail investors. Until now, even globally, there's only a handful of countries that do so, namely the UK, Brazil, and Hungary. With this, the RBI has opened up a new tab and arguably an endless source from which to borrow from. Until now, the investors only had the option to do so through the GoBid platform on the National Stock Exchange. But with this announcement, they'll have a new platform, especially if they don't like the risk of the stock markets, with which to invest in government securities, and it's going to come directly under the central bank. Simply put, for the government, it's a new pool of investors, and for investors, it's a way to diversify their portfolio. Until now, they were majorly reliant on banks, foreign investors, and insurance companies from which to raise funds.
It is important to note, I repeat, this measure together with the HTM relaxation will facilitate smooth completion of the government borrowing program in the financial year 21-22.
However, there is a catch. These investors also have access to small savings instruments. So unless the rates on these small saving instruments are rationalized to become at par with government securities, the interest to invest in government securities is going to be relatively moderate.